wa barakatuh. Very good morning, my dear students. And in this session, let us see Pqed questions of grade 10, which I have posted a long time ago. Okay, the first question is so if alpha comma beta are zeros of kx square minus 2x plus 3k such that alpha plus beta equals alpha beta, then you have to find k. Okay, that's good. So from where, which chapter is this question from? Yes, this is from polynomials, right? And this is from polynomials. Okay, what is it given? He has given kx square minus 2x plus 3k. That's fine. And after that, he had given a condition. What is the condition? Alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta. So now here you have to remember that alpha plus beta is nothing but sum of zeros, and alpha beta is equal to product of zeros. So this it has to come into mind. So here is the question from where you have to start. So let us do the solution. So it is given kx square minus 2x plus 3k. Is it right? So here, what is A? A is the coefficient of x square, it is equal to k. And what is B? It is the coefficient of x, so it is minus 2. And what is C? It is the constant, which is 3k. Now, see, since I don't have time, I am writing one beside the other. You have to follow it, okay? Please follow the steps carefully. I am also writing for you neatly. So now, what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta means sum of the zeros, right? We already know it is minus b by a. So it is minus, what is b? B is minus 2. So minus of minus 2 divided by what is a? K. So that is equal to minus of minus plus. So it is 2 by k. Is it right? And then what is given? Alpha beta. Alpha beta is nothing but product of zeros. And what is product of zeros? C by A. My dear students, what is C? 3k. And what is A? A is k. So divided by k. And when I cancel, we can divide k and k, right? So therefore, alpha beta is equal to 3. So now, given alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta. Now let us substitute, my dear students. So what is alpha plus beta? 2 by k equals 3. Now let us transpose k to other side, since k is in denominator. Let us do it over here. So that implies on left hand side, when you transpose, what is left out? 2 is left out. 2 equals 3k. Now, since you have to find k, transpose k to the other side, and here you have multiplication. So therefore, it comes to denominator. 2 by 3 is equal to k. So the value of k is equal to 2 by 3. I hope everybody understood. So whenever you see a problem, read the problem carefully and write what is given. Okay, and already I have informed you so many times. So what is important? What is given? Okay, and the most important is what to find. Until and unless you know what to find, you cannot do the problem. And after that, what is the concept? These three whats are very important. Is given what to find and what is the concept. And after that, and the last one is what is the conclusion. So these four things you have to write in the, make sure they are in the solution. Let us go for the next props. The next question is sum of digits of a two-digit number is 9. Okay. If 27 is added to it, sorry, the digits of the number gets reversed. Okay. Find the number. Okay, this is one of the important problems in linear equation in two variables. Okay, and this can also be asked in quadratic equation if we change the if we change the question a little bit. So most of the students will have a doubt whether it is a linear equation in two variable or quadratic equation. Depending on the problem, it changes. Okay, so now let us write what is given, then you will understand. Sum of digits of two-digit number is 9. See, when you have a two-digit number, that means you will have a number like, for example, let me say 31, right? So that means one number is in tens place and another digit is in ones place. Is it right? So when you don't know the number and he says that it is a two-digit number, and when he is informing you that the sum of two digits separately, so that means you have to take digits separately. Okay, so that means, so this is tens digit and this is ones digit. Let us take tens digit. The digit in tens place is x, and the digits in ones place is y. How will you read this number? Will you read it as xy? No. Because will you read this number as 31? No, we don't read. We read it as 31. So how do you read 30? 3 tens are 30 and 1 ones are 1. So this is how we read. Okay, you don't read 31, right? You read it as 31. So how do you read it? This number will be read as x into 10, 10x plus y into 1, y. I hope you understood, right? So now let us go with this one. So let us say this is solution. Let digit in ones place is equal to y, and digit in tens place is equal to x. Okay, and now what will be the number? So original number will be, so since in tens place you have x, you will be having 10 into x plus, and original the digit in ones place is y, so you will have 1y. So this is the original number. Understood, my dear students? Now let us go. After that, I don't have place, so I'm writing it here. You have to write actually one below the other. Actually, what is given here? Sum of digits is 9. So he's talking about digits. He's not talking about number. So he talking about digits. What are the digits? X and Y. So therefore, given sum of digits is equal to 9. So that implies x plus y is equal to 9. This is our first equation. Do you understand, my dear students? Sum of digits is equal to 9. Next, what is given? If 27 is added to it, it means original number. So that means if you add 27 to this original number, the digits of the number get reversed. See, what will be the reverse number? If you reverse the digits, so that means y is in ones place and x is in tens place. What will be the reverse digit? So reverse digit I am writing over here. This is tens place and this is. Here you have ones place as y. So let us write tens place y. And in tens place you have x. So therefore ones place it will be x. So now what will be the number? It will be y into 10. 10y plus x into 1 x. Is it right? So now reverse number reverse number is equal to 10y plus x. This is rough. Okay, 10y plus x. Now what is given? Let us go to the next one. What is given? If 27 is added to 8. If 27 is added to it, what is it? The digits of the number gets reversed. So that means it will be reversed. It will be reversed. That means what? That implies 27 is added to original number. What is original number, my dear students? 10x plus y. So when you add original number to 10x plus y, it will be reversed. What is the reverse number? 10y plus x. So since you can transpose anything, so let me transpose. So 27, let me transpose to right hand side. You have 10x plus y minus 10y minus x is equal to minus 27. 27 when you transpose. So 10x minus x, 9x. Y minus 10y is minus 9y is equal to minus 27. You have 9 common over here. Let us take 9 common. So it will be x minus y is equal to minus 27. So here it is in multiplication. So let me transpose 9. So x minus y is equal to minus 27 by 9. So that is equal to 9 3 is 27, right? So let me write it in next line. So it is x minus y is equal to minus 3. This is my second equation. So can I solve first equation and second equation? See, when I see the first equation, it is x plus y is equal to 9. The coefficients of y and the coefficients of y in the second equation are same and the signs are different. So I'm doing it this side. So let me add both the equations. So what is the first equation? X plus y is equal to 9. What is the second equation? X minus y is equal to minus 3. So if I add, what happens? So x plus x, 2x, plus y minus y gets cancelled. So that is equal to 9 minus 3 is 6. And x is equal to, when I transpose 2, it will be 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. So I got x is equal to 3. Now substitute it in any equation. Substitute in first equation. So what is first equation, my dear students? X plus y is equal to 9. Substitute in place of x, 3 plus y is equal to 9. When I transpose 3 to other side, what happens? So y is equal to 9 minus 6. So I got x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 6. So therefore number is equal to, in tens place you have x. So that means it will be 3 and 6. It will be 36. Understood, my dear students? If you listen to my question and if you listen to my explanation without having pen in your hand, so believe me, you will be unable to do this problem. So please write it down when I explain, and after that, once you understand it, pause, redo it, check step by step, and go to the next problem. Yes, my dear students. The third question is, if 2x minus 3y is equal to 7 and a plus b times x minus a plus b minus 3 times y equals 4a plus b, have infinite solutions. Find a and b. My dear students, in which chapter you have the concept of solutions, number of solutions? Yes, you have in linear equations in two variables, pair of linear equations. Right. So let us go. So let us start the solution. Let us start the solution. Okay, let us start the solution with what we have, what we know. Okay, what do we know? So we know that two equations, for example, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 have infinite solutions when they are coincident. When they are coincident, right? So that implies a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2. Understood or not? This is for infinite solutions. So this is for infinite solutions. So let me write what is a1 here. a1 is equal to 2. b1 is equal to minus 3. And the C1 is equal to, students, it is 7, right? But it is in RHS. See the next question. Here also the constant is in right hand side. So no need to bring it both of them to left hand side. It will be the same. So if one is on right hand side and another one is on left hand side, so then you have to make either of them to right hand side or either of them to left hand side. So since the constants are on right hand side, so it doesn't make matlab any difference. So what is a2 here? A2 is the coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x? A plus b. And what is b2? B2 is nothing but coefficient of y. So it is minus of a plus b minus 3. And what is C2? C2 is nothing but 4a plus b. Understood? Now, since we got A1, A2, and okay, yeah. So, anyways, okay, let us see. So, anyway, we have for infinite solutions A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, right? So, sorry, let us equate these two. Okay, let us equate first. So A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2. So that implies what is A1 here? It is 2 divided by what is A2? A plus B. That equals what is B1? B1 is minus 3 divided by what is B2? Minus of A plus B minus 3. Okay. Students, can you cancel 3 and 3? You cannot, right? Because the numerator is for all the three terms. So you cannot. But here minus and minus gets cancelled. And after that, can I cross multiply? Yes. So that will be 2 times a plus b minus 3 equals 3 times, take the denominator to numerator. It is a plus b. That implies 2a plus 2 into b 2b plus 2 into 3 minus 6 is equal to 3a plus 3b. Students, I have told you whenever you have variables on both sides, transpose the variables which has lower coefficient. So here it is lower coefficient. So let me transpose this one, everything from left hand side to right hand side. When everything is transposed from left hand side, you will have 0 equals, already you have 3a plus 3b, and now 2a it will become minus 2a, and plus 2b it becomes minus 2b, and after that minus 6 will become plus 6, and LHS is equal to RHS. So you can write RHS is equal to LHS. That means you can transpose without changing the signs, right? That means, let me explain you. If A is equal to B, can you write it as B is equal to A? Yes, we can write it. So in the same way, since I am going to transpose 0 to other side and this thing, whatever is on right hand side to left hand side. So 3A minus 2A, it is A, and 3B minus 2B, it is plus B, and plus 6 is equal to 0. This is our first equation. Understood? We have equated only A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. Now let us equate, now B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, right? So B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2. That implies, what is B1, my dear students? B1 is minus 3. So minus B minus 3 divided by, what is B2? Minus of A plus B minus 3. Minus of A plus B minus 3. Okay, that equals, what is C1? C1 is 7 divided by, what is C2? I think it is 4A plus B. 4A plus B. Now transpose everything. Cross multiply. When you cross multiply, and here minus and minus gets cancelled, so it will be 3 times 4A plus B equals 7 times A plus B minus 3. You can write it as 3 fours are 12A plus 3 times B, it will be 3B equals 7 into A, 7A, 7 into B, 7B, and 7 into minus 3, minus 21. So which one, 12A is bigger and 7A is smaller, so transpose all right hand side to left hand side. That is equal to 12A plus 3B minus 7A minus 7B, and minus 27, when you transpose it will be plus 21 is equal to 0. That implies 12A minus 7A, 5A, 3B minus 7B minus 4B, and plus 21 equals 0. This is our second equation. And what is our first equation? A plus B plus 6 is equal to 0. So, do you have anything negative? Here it is negative. And since it is A plus B plus 6, so you have to make B as 4 times, 4 into B. Multiply first equation with 4. Let me do it. So, first equation into 4 implies what it becomes? 4A plus 4B plus 24. 4A plus 4B plus 24 is equal to 0. And after that, what is the second equation? It is, second equation is 5A minus 4B plus 21 equals 0. Now let us simplify. 4A plus 5A, 9A, and 4B minus 4B gets cancelled, plus 24 plus 21, I think it is 45 equals 0. And 9A is equal to plus 45. When you transpose, it will be minus 45, and A will be minus 45 by 9, that is equal to 9 5s are 45. So A is equal to minus 5, right? Now substitute A in first equation. So what is first equation? A plus B plus 6 is equal to 0. That implies what is A? Minus 5. Minus 5 plus B plus 6 is equal to 0. and one is negative and another one is positive. You have to subtract, right? 6 minus 5 is 1. So b plus 1 is equal to 0. When I transpose, b is equal to minus 1. So therefore, a is equal to minus 5 and b is equal to minus 1. Understood? So, my dear students, pause it and do it now itself, because these calculations have to be done by you. If not, during examinations, you will get doubt whether I am doing it correct or not. So, keep the video paused and do it now itself, my dear students. So now, in a triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC, and if DE is equal to 5 centimeters, BC is equal to 8 centimeters, and AD equals 3.5 centimeters, AB is equal to how much? So by reading the question, I can understand that this is a triangles chapter, right? And in triangles, what we have studied? We have studied basic proportionality theorem, and also we have studied about similarities, right? Similarities of the triangle. So these type of questions you will not understand fully until and unless you draw a diagram. So let us draw the diagram first. In a triangle ABC, let me draw a triangle ABC. Okay, this is A, this is B, and this is C. D is parallel to BC, so D is parallel to BC. Okay, fine. If DE is equal to 5 centimeters, this is 5 centimeters, and BC is 8 centimeters, and AD is 3.5. This is 3.5 centimeters. Find AB. He is asking us to find AB. This we have to find. Is it right, my dear students? So it's simple. When what is basic proportionality theorem? When a line is drawn parallel to BC, so the proportion in which the sides are other two sides are divided are equal. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, right? But here we don't have AE and EC. So we have to use another one. What is that? Similarity of triangles. When a line is drawn parallel to one of the side of the triangle, then these two triangles, what are these two triangles? For example, let me draw ADE. E is similar to ABC. Understood or not? How, sir? Sir, how these two triangles are similar? Let us say what is given, my dear student? Since these two lines are parallel, so according to PPT, is AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, and by the corollary of the theorem, can we write it as AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. We have studied it, right? By adding one on both sides, you will understand. So we got it. Now, let us take triangle, the red one. What is the red triangle? A, B, E. And what is the other triangle? A, B, and C. See, according to this, AD and AB are similar. And the same way, AE by the ratio of AE by AC, these two are equal. Is it right? And in 1, 2 triangle, and angle A is common for both. So when you have two sides similar, and when you have an included angle equal, by SAS similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. Is it right? When these two triangles are similar, BE by BC is equal to AD by AB. Right? So this concept we are going to use. And since he has given the values and he didn't ask us to prove, no need to write all these things. So by similarity congruency, by SAS similarity congruency, these two triangles ADE and ABC are similar. I hope you understood, right? This explanation, you do this explanation, why they are similar. Okay, the way I have explained, it will be clear. So now, so since it is for 1 mark or 2 marks, so what we will be doing, we'll be stating by since sorry, D is parallel to BC, since D is AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. Understood or not? And after that by SAS similarity criteria, uh, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. So if they are similar, what will happen? What will happen? AD by AB is equal to DE by BC. Is it right? When two triangles are similar, the ratios of the corresponding sides are equal, right? So from that, AD by AB is equal to DE by BC. I can take AE by AC also, but it is not, the values are not given, so I didn't write. Okay. So using this, now substitute the values. What is AD? 3.5 divided by, what is AB? You don't know. Equals, what is DE? DE is 5 and what is BC? Is 8. Now cross multiply, since our AB is in denominator, let us cross multiply. So 3.5 into 8 is equal to AB multiplied by 5. So let us transpose 3.5 multiplied by 8 divided by 5 is equal to AB. Here if I remove the decimal, it is 35. 35 is divided by 5 how many times? 7 times. So that will be 5 ones are 5, 5.7. So 0.7 times, that is equal to 0.7 into 8 is equal to AB. So 0.8, 7 8s are 56. And you have decimal before one digit, so keep it. 5.6 is equal to AB. So is it given in centimeters? Yeah. So it is AB is equal to 5.6 centimeters. This is the most important thing you have to remember. Understood, my dear students? And if you remember this, if it comes for one mark problem, no need to do all these things. You can do directly. You can remember. And if it is asked for 2 marks, you have to write it. And if it is asked for 3 marks, you have to write the references also based on the marks he has given. Yes, my dear students. In triangle OPQ, right angle at P, OP is equal to 7 centimeters and OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. You have to find sin Q. Yeah, pardon me for this writing. I'm a little bit tired today because after so many days I'm doing this. Little bit tired. Pardon me for this writing. Okay. Now, here it is right angle triangle and he is asking sin Q. When I was writing this problem, I thought it is of from triangle chapter. But when I saw 9Q, I thought it will be, it will be of trigonometry and triangles. Let us see how it works. So let us go for the solution. So what does the solution say? The solution, let us draw the triangle for this. Let us draw the figure for this. Yes, he is telling this is a right angle triangle and right angle at P. So that means it is P. So you can write it as OPQ. Now OP is equal to 7 centimeters. This is 7 centimeters and OQ minus PQ is equal to 1. What is that? OQ minus PQ is equal to 1. Okay. you have to find a sine q. So with respect of q, you have to find. Okay, you have to find with respect to q. So let us see. Let us start from what he has given. So that implies here OQ, since OQ is hypotenuse, what do I do? PQ you transpose. That is equal to 1 plus PQ. Is it right? So that means hypotenuse is equal to 1 plus PQ. And this is already PQ. So now, yeah, since you have same variable, so it gets cancelled. So let us do right angle triangle, Pythagoras theorem. What will you write? In right angle triangle, in right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is equal to altitude square plus base square. What is hypotenuse? 1 plus PQ. So the whole square equals what is altitude? Altitude is 7 square plus what is base? Base is PQ square. Now, a plus b whole square. Can I write it as a square plus b square plus 2pq? Khalas, we got the answer. Is equal to 7 square is 49 plus pq square. Good. See here plus pq square plus pq square. If it is on both sides, can I cancel it? Yes, sir. I can do it. So let us go for it. Khalas, we got it. 1 plus 2pq. 1 plus 2pq equals 49. Now you have to find a pq. Transpose one to other side. It will become 2pq equals 49 minus 1. That implies 2pq equals 48. So that implies PQ is equal to 48 divided by 2, that is equal to 24. You got PQ is equal to 24. So this will be 24 and this will be 24 plus 1, 25. Now you got it? It's very simple. Yeah, therefore sine Q is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. What is opposite to Q? Opposite to Q is 7 centimeters divided by hypotenuse is 25. So therefore sin Q is equal to 7 by 25. Got it, my dear students? See, do the problem. Start from what is given. That is what I say every time. Start from what is given, you will understand, you will get to the problem. Understood? You will understand the problem. So that's it. PQED. This is second PQED. And yeah, without planning, I have started PQEDs today explaining. So little bit tired. Inshallah, I'll go home, have lunch, and little bit rest, and then I'll send you PQED 3, inshallah, if possible. Okay. So, my dear students, please remember, as I said in the previous video, how to plan. Please do the problems. Do these problems. This year, CBSE is going to mainly focus on competency based questions. Okay, my dear students, you work on the concepts, textbook problems, and examples. You do it by yourself, and if you want any help, let me know. And in PQEDs, I will give you competency based questions. So this way we can travel on, we can sail on both the boats without falling. Understood? You practice concepts, and once you practice concepts, the competency based questions will be easy. Sorry. So PQED 2, 3, 4, I believe I have given questions, but I don't know whether they are competency based or not. Even if not, concepts are covered. Okay, please do them on a regular basis. Explanation took, now it is 40 minutes nearly, but if you listen and do it. It will be less than half an hour. And my videos, while explaining, I will be slow, so you can watch it in 1.25 speed or 1.5, depending on your capacity and how can you understand the problems. So please, my dear students, please, 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 I have a strong belief in you that you will 75% of my class can cross 90% mark with ease. Okay, so my dear students, work hard. I believe you. Now it is your turn. You have to believe yourself. Understood? So please practice it three times each, yeah, with love, with affection. Okay, do it the way you do take your phones and play it, right? So with the same way, with the interest, with the enthusiasm, you take your phones and do and scroll over shorts. So with that, more than that, you have to do your problems, then your future will be bright, my dear students. So please take care and remember me in your prayers. If you understand the concept, like, share, and subscribe, and share it with your friends and comment below. Okay. The YouTube algorithm says that the more comments and the more likes you have, it will be shared to others. My only uh, my only this thing is it should benefit you people, okay, and the future generations, so that uh, see, the whole world depends on you, my dear students. So please take care, please take care of yourself and your future. Your future is the world's future, and if you want to see the world in a better place, you should be better first. With this, I'm Madhumar Farooq signing off, and inshallah, we'll meet you in next video. Take care. Bye bye.